What is it, son?
My friends.
Oh, well, you see, that's the mortal in you, Peter.
Yes.
We are beyond such things.
Yes.
Now.
But my mother. You said you loved my mother.
And that I did. My river lily, who knew all the words to every song that came over the radio. I returned to Earth to see her 3 times, and I knew if I returned a 4th, I'd never leave. The expansion, reason for my very existence would be over, so I did what I had to do. But it broke my heart to put that tumor in her head.
What?
No, all right. I know that sounds bad.